Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Renu Gupta, and the bulletin starts with Apple Tim Cook teases are something in the air in MacBook Air M4. iPad Air M3 anticipated the YouTube may soon get a massive upgrade to look and work more like Netflix. Qualcomm unveils or Dragonwing and showcases agentic AI in Snapdragon 8 Elite power devices. Microsoft just rebuilt Copilot for a Windows with a fancy native UI. Google co-founder pushes a DeepMind team to work a 60-hour week as AGI race heats up. Micron announces the UFS 4.1 and UFS a 3.1 storage chip based on Xenon architecture, Nvidia and Broadcom testing chip on Intel manufacturing process. In the previous quiz, we asked you who is the founder of a quantum computing, and the answer is a David Dester. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of both? Confident you have got the answer. Drop a guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin if you nailed it. First up, Apple's CEO Tim Cook posted a teaser video on X hinting at the imminent launch of MacBook Air M4 and iPad Air M3 this week. If you're considering an upgrade, it is best to wait, as the three new models will bring improved performance and efficiency. The MacBook Air M4 will likely to retain its 13-inch and 15-inch sizes with a similar design and the upgraded to M4 chip, offering a better power efficiency. It also lead to discontinuation of MacBook Air M2. Meanwhile, the iPad Air M3 and expected to come in 11-inch and 13-inch variant will feature the M3 chip, keeping M4 chip exclusively to the iPad Pro line. Now, YouTube is reportedly planning a major upgrade that will shift to focus-forward subscription-based content similar to Netflix and Amazon Prime Video. According to the information, YouTube aims to integrate the third-party premium content more prominently, expanding its Primetime Channels feature. Initially introduced a few years ago, Primetime Channel also uses to subscribe to service like Max and Prominent Plus directly through YouTube. However, due to a low user engagement, this feature is a sideline. Now, YouTube is exploring ways to increase visibility with the overwhelming user with promotions. The redesign could introducing a Netflix-style interface with a dedicated section for a paid content. Additionally, creators will soon able to organize content into structured show pages with the episodes and sessions, making discovery earlier than the YouTube current playlist system. At the Mobile World Congress MWC 2025 is a Barcelona, Qualcomm introduces a Dragonwing, a new sub-brand design enterprise solutions. According to the Don Amsigear, Qualcomm CMO and the Dragonwing branding feature is a dragon emerald symbolize power, speed and innovation, merging Qualcomm Blue with a Snapdragon Red to create a strong industry-focused portfolio. While Snapdragon remains a consumer-centric, a Dragonwing will cater to businesses with a networking and build solution. Qualcomm also teased one device agentic AI experience, enabling a Snapdragon 8 Elite smartphone to interact autonomously with the services like music, maps, weather to cross-app functionalities. Additionally, Qualcomm unveiled the X85 5G, a modem RF offering 12.5 Gbps peak download and support and sub-6 GHz mmWave and a SIM enabled to the 4G to IoT modems. Now, Microsoft is previewing the redesigned Copilot app for Windows 11, featuring a native UI more seamless experience, rolling out your Windows and insiders. The updated Copilot introduces a sidebar for a chat history, mica and a blur effects, and a native content menus align better with the Windows 11 design language. Unlike the previous web-based version, the new app is faster, smoother, and visually refined. The upgraded Copilot retains all previous features, allowing users to chat via text or Copilot a voice while saving a conversation in the sidebars. User can also start a new chat instantly. Additionally, settings include option and enable auto start and a boot and toggle to the Alt plus space shortcut to the quick access. Microsoft first launched the native Copilot experience on Mac, but Windows user can now enjoy a similar upgrade. The new Copilot app is available in the preview for the insiders across all channels via the Microsoft Store. Google co-founder Sergey Brin has advised the employees at the company's DeepMind AI division to commit to 12-hour work days and a competition in the race toward the artificial general intelligence (AGI). Emphasizes Vernon state that the 60-hour workweek is the optimal balance of productivity. He acknowledged that while some employees work beyond the threshold, risking burnout, the reduced creativity, others contribute a far less, with the least productive individuals negatively affecting team morale. Bring messages coincident with the second anniversary of a Google DeepMind Gemini AI program. He highlighted a division of achievements but emphasized that increasingly competition necessities incentivize efforts. According to The Verge, a Brin said that the DeepMind possesses all the necessary resources to succeed to the AGI race, but must accelerate its work. Its memo also underscored the importance of in-person collaboration, urging employees to be present in the office daily as a physical prominently enhanced communication. Now, Micron has announced the world's first UFS 4.1 and UFS 3.1 storage solution based on its G9 architecture, enhancing a device AI capabilities for smartphones. These device storage chips will debut a flagship device soon, following the release of Micron 1Y LPDR5X chip in early 2026. The new FS 4.1 and UFS 3.1 storage offers improved power efficiency and a faster read-write speed. The capacity is ranging from 256 GB and 1 TB. Designed for ultra-thin and a foldable smartphone, these chips bring with the hardware and a software enhancement. Last, Nvidia and Broadcom are testing Intel's advanced 18A manufacturing processes, significantly potential confidence its chip production. While AMD is also evaluating the technology, it's unclear if it has submitted test chip. These trials will focus on analyzing specific components rather than a full design. Can take months but do not guarantee Intel will secure a major contract. Intel's contract manufacturing businesses Center for a former CEO reveal plan has faced delays, with the journal's dimension and the AI chip development postponed until 2027. Uncertainty looms. Meanwhile, US officials reportedly discussed a potential TSMC stake in Intel's foundry until the standard domestic semiconductor production. Intel has signed 2 agreements with the Microsoft and the Amazon from 18A chip, but details remain unclear. Additionally, Intel has postponed its 18A timeline and another 6 months, pushing the potential manufacturing further into 2026, raising concern about the competitive recovery. Thank you for tuning in today's bulletin. Follow IT Voice for more such tech updates.